Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you Rylan's curly hair routine. I will be showing you the products I love washing and styling her hair with. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, I'm gonna take this cute little shampoo rinser that I picked up from Target some time ago, and I'm just gonna make sure that all of Rylan's hair is very well saturated with water and prepped and ready for shampoo. For shampoo, I love using Shea Moisture's 100% virgin coconut baby shampoo and wash. Not only does it smell super amazing, I love how well this product lathers and cleans Rylan's hair. So now, as you can see, I am just really working and massaging that product into her scalp, making sure that I've covered all ground before we rinse and get ready for conditioner. So here we are again with our pink little shampoo rinser. You guys will learn that this thing truly comes in handy, okay? So when I'm rinsing her hair out, I always use fresh water and I never use the bath water that she's been sitting in. For conditioner, I use another line of Shea Moisture products, and it's the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner. This also has an amazing scent and it hydrates Rylan's hair really well. The only thing I would say about this product is the consistency is very thick, and even though it's sold with a pump, I don't use it because it has a hard time feeding the product through the tube, but I still love the way it makes Rylan's hair feel, so I continue to use it faithfully. While conditioning, I really like to focus the product on the nape of Rylan's head. That's where it seems to always be the driest and the area that needs the most attention. While the conditioner is working its magic in her hair, I like to take this small detangling brush and comb it through the hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed and to make sure that there aren't any kinks or knots left in her hair. While the product is still sitting in her hair, I like to take this time to wash her off and to make sure that she is squeaky clean. After that, I take my cute little pink rinser again, and with clean water, I'll rinse all of the conditioner out of her hair. I then like to take a wide tooth comb and rake through her hair to redefine her curl pattern after her wash. With her bath towel, I'll lightly dry her hair, and now we are ready to style. When styling, I like to prep Rylan's hair with the Cantu Care for Kids Conditioning Detangling Spray. This keeps her hair hydrated and easy to work with while styling. Next, I like to use the Cantu Care for Kids Curling Cream. This is a lightweight styling cream that will control frizz and define her curls without becoming crusty and crunchy. Now I'm going to be parting her hair down the middle to her crown, trying to work as fast as I possibly can. Sometimes it's not absolutely perfect. I mean, she is a toddler. She does not sit still all of the time. And this was one of her days where she was just not trying to have her hair combed. So easy style it is. 2 ponies in the front, 1 in the back. For now, I like using these small little black elastic bands just because she doesn't have too much hair yet. I'm sure I will have to change that once her hair starts to grow to her full potential, but for right now, this is what works for us. So we got our first ponytail in, and now it's time for some barrettes. These are some small bow barrettes that I picked up at my local 99-cent store. It came in a pack of 2, you guys. I never thought to go to the 99-cent store for like barrettes and bows and ribbons and stuff, but go, okay, they have a lot of variety there. So like I said before, she doesn't have too much hair just yet. So I'm just going in with a small edge brush by Kiss, I believe. And I'm just smoothing everything down so it looks nice and neat. Here I'm splitting her ponytail into 3 strands, and I'm just twisting it and twirling it around my fingers so it just gives her curls a little bit more definition. And here we are adding in our last final barrette. We're gonna straighten out her baby hair just a little bit, and that will be it. We're done with Rylan's first hair tutorial. Yay! Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.